Hi guys, Tan Lux. This is a gradual oil, really a lotion, and it's a buildable tan glow. It gives you a radiant gradual glow with hydrating lotion. So it's kind of like a hybrid moisturizer slash self tanner. And you apply it to your skin like a normal body lotion, and lightly cover your hands and your elbows and things like that, those areas tend to absorb more. So you want to have an even tan, 2 to 4 hours. You're going to build a nice color base. And so if you don't go in the sun a lot like me, and you're invited to a pool party and you don't want to look like a ghost, this is actually really great and a lifesaver for me, because people are constantly saying that I literally look like a ghost at times. So Tan Lux Gradual Tan, and I love that it moisturizes your skin, doesn't stain your clothes, doesn't have a smell. So it really works. You just use it like a moisturizer, so it's like no fuss. Love no fuss, right? Okay, let's just open it up so you guys can see. And it just rubs right into your skin. And it, just dries right up. And it, like I said, it has like maybe just a very subtle, kind of like clean smell. It doesn't smell like tanning lotion. Now, make sure that you do even, because you want to have even color, right? So, and if you want to get darker, use it every day. It's only going to get so dark, but it will, I have a nice kind of natural glow, and was very white just a day ago. So there you have it. Tan Lux, great for vacation, or like I said, that pool party, and no staining, no fuss. Check it out.
Hey, this is Jen with an honest review on this Firming Gradual Tan Lotion by Tanologist. And what I love about this is that you can use it daily like a regular daily moisturizer, and you get a tan from it. And it's so nice and silky smooth, like your skin feels ultra moisturized and hydrated right afterwards. Like I used it right when I got out of the shower, and my skin felt like so nourished afterwards. It was such a nice feeling. I also really like that it doesn't have that self-tanner smell to it, you know what I mean? Like some of the other gradual tan lotions have that self-tanner smell, and then it rubs off on your clothes and later on your sheets, and you kind of can't get rid of it. This doesn't have it. I've had it on for hours and I can't smell it at all. So I really like that about it. I am really glad that I found this and that it's part of my new beauty regimen, and I would say it definitely fits my needs.
This is the Bondi Sands Gradual Tanning Lotion, and this is for low level activation. So it's more if you're wanting a natural tan for lighter to medium colored skin. What I love about this is, if I open up, it actually has a pigment to it. So you can see it's already brown. When you rub this in, it gives you a really nice, natural looking tan. I keep rubbing it in a little bit so I don't look funny. So it gives you a really nice glow instantly, which I love if you're going for a night out and you want to just get that instant bit of color. But what else is really great about this is that it also activates over time. So you can put this on, get your instant color, and then overnight it will keep developing. So you'll get that color underneath even once you have washed this off. You can use this multiple times to build up the color as well. So you can see there, this isn't, I'll try to get it in the same light. It's not too dark. It gives you a really quite a natural tan, which I love, especially when you've got really fair skin like mine. It smells absolutely amazing. It's got this really nice chocolatey smell to it. Overall, I think this is really fantastic product, really great for giving you that instant flawless looking tan that also continues to develop over time.
This is a perfect self-tanner for going from the winter pale to the spring and summer tan without sitting out in the sun or going to a tanning bed and getting a fake tan. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Lotion. It gradually creates flawless natural looking color. This is the fair to medium because I am very pale, but I got this for a wedding I went to a couple weeks ago, and I started putting it on a week before because it does say that it is gradual and it goes over several days, so I wanted to give it a week to actually show up. I feel like in the week, it definitely did show up. I got a lot tanner. My arms and my legs are very tan, and I've not gone and sat out in the sun at all this year. But I definitely recommend this if you're looking for like a tan that's coming over time instead of just like a spray tan, like pale one day and tan the next day. This smells really good. It's super smooth and silky. I will say after you put it on, you do need to wait like 5 or so minutes before you put clothes on because it is tacky to the touch. But I haven't had any issues with transferring or anything like with the usual fake tan. So I definitely recommend this because I have had no issues and I'm really happy with the results in the tan that I've gotten from it.